Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? Back to the video. You already know who it is. It's K9 Games. Y'all probably asking why we on the flow. Well, it's because we was doing some burpees on our little morning cardio walk. And I just want y'all to know that we about to have the most bombest health versus bodybuilding video. And I'm about to really break it down and get on some heads today, too. So y'all about to get ready for that and keep making some... Ooh, damn, I'm slipping. Keep making some K9 Games. Yo, what's up, y'all? I was gonna y'all know, get kind of super professional with it, but I was like, nah, skip that. We're not finna be doing all that. And hey, this is how you get a million subscribers, anyways, right? Just by just being original. Probably screaming too. I should probably start screaming at y'all.
Beautiful just as you are. And
Nah, but anyways, what's up, YouTube? I just want to let you guys know right off the bat that y'all need to go and do a lot of research on a lot what's going to be said today, okay? I want you guys to go deep into research on this, okay? I'm going to be touching on some key points, all right? But I'm going straight off the top right now. I didn't script anything, so I'm going to just hop right into this, okay? So first of all, what do I mean by health versus like fitness or bodybuilding? What I mean by that is like the two different viewpoints whenever you go into working out and like when it comes to like nutrition, because a lot of people don't know that trying to have a healthy diet doesn't exactly, I mean, like a bodybuilder's diet doesn't exactly mean it's a healthy diet, because there's a lot of bodybuilders who have a super unhealthy diet, especially on like competition prep and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, we're gonna get into all that kind of stuff today, okay? Ooh, dang, I done freaking had a freaking crick in my neck. No, it was cramp, freaking cramp. I'm gonna try and cut that out. Anyways, but you guys, I want you guys to know that whenever like you're prepping for a competition and like you're at that super low body fat percentage and you're eating like super low carbs, I want you guys to know right now that that is not healthy at all, okay? So not even getting lean like that is healthy at all, okay? So if anybody isn't trying to encourage you to stay like super duper lean like that, something's wrong with them, and they're probably wanting you to fail, because that's not healthy at all, okay? You want to be like some normal, I would say normal body fat percentage would be around like 15% like body fat. Probably like around like where I'm at, or like a couple percentages higher. But you don't want to be freaking like looking like you about to step on stage, because like to even look like that in the first place, you have to be on like an extreme diet, and that's just not even healthy at all. And not even healthy like for your body nor for your mind. Like that would give you like some really bad psychological problems. But I'm gonna go into that a little bit too, like when it comes to the health, like the diets focusing on like more on health than just bodybuilding. Because what a lot of you guys do not know is your stomach is connected to your brain. To simplify, what I mean is like your stomach can send signals to your brain, blah blah blah. Okay, so let's say if you eat like something really really bad, okay, that can give you like certain mood swings and stuff. Like this is what I mean by I want you guys to kind of go and research on this stuff, because I'm going straight off the top and I never know I'm notes. So I'm just trying to throw this information at y'all right now, okay? I didn't come prepared for this, all right? But anyways, but I did make a video talking about this though. If you go and check out my video on Candida, Candida, gut syndrome, whatever, go check that video out and you can learn more on what I'm talking about when it comes to the stomach connected to your brain. But anyways, certain foods that you eat whenever you're focusing on just like being like the best bodybuilder, like trying to be as big as possible or prepping for a show, there's certain foods that you eat that can cause negative reactions, like inside your stomach with your gut, like bacteria and all that kind of stuff. And it can send like just a lot of bad stuff can happen when you're on a bodybuilding kind of diet compared to a more healthy diet. Now, I'm not saying that a bodybuilding diet is bad, because y'all all know I follow a bodybuilding diet. um, I've been following a bodybuilding diet for a long time. I just want you guys to know though, like I don't want nobody to be unaware, because that's a problem if people are unaware. Now, also, just because you're following a bodybuilding diet doesn't mean you can't make that diet more healthy as well. And we're gonna go in a little bit on that as well. Oh, damn, I'm stuttering. But I'm gonna try to make this a little fast, okay? But if you watch Greg Doucette, he's a freaking like bomb dude. Check out his channel. You can really learn a little more on like trying to have a more healthier bodybuilding kind of diet, and I think I also got a couple videos on it too. So just check out my channel for like any of my cooking videos or anything like that. I got some information on how to like still have a bodybuilder kind of diet with high calories and a lot of protein, all that kind of stuff, but still making it healthy and good for your digestive system and all that kind of stuff, okay? So I want you guys to definitely go check that out. But one of the main things when it comes up to like eating healthy and like just trying to be like healthy and like trying to be a bodybuilder and eating like a bodybuilder is protein intake. Like people are like eating too much protein, people eating too much carbs. Like that is a big problem, okay? A lot of people are so focused on fat, like their fat intake, that they're forgetting like the other two macronutrients. Um Wait, hold on. I just got a message from one of my clients, y'all. But yeah, you can't be forgetting about your protein and your carb intake whenever you're tracking your macros. Okay, so that's very important. This video is actually kind of fast. That's kind of all I really wanted to say, and I want you guys to keep making them canine gains, and just know that I'm getting ready for Texas State Championships right now. We're growing. We're growing. I don't know if I look big enough on here because it's bad angle, but hey, keep making them canine